Hi friends, welcome to Indian Cooking with Suganthi. In this video, I'm going to take you to one of the best wineries in Napa Valley, California, Far Niente. Our dear friend Claire Das is coming along with us. We also learned how to pair the wine with the best cheese. Let's go. Let's drive to Far Niente in Napa Valley, California. This is our beautiful friend Claire Das. She's visiting us from Montreal, Canada. Wine tasting with our friend Claire Das. My husband Arvind with our host, a fine lady, a very talented lady who knows so much about the wines and the wine that they serve at Far Niente. We tasted a couple of exclusive rare collectible ones. A bottle would cost about the cheapest bottle would cost about $300. We tasted about 8 or 9 wines, including some blends and Pinot Noir, Chardonnay, Cabernet Sauvignon, and at the end they served some special wines, including a dessert wine, the Dolce wine. The bottle was beautiful, the wine was delicious. The bottle was decorated with the 24 karat gold. One bottle cost about $1,000. After tasting the wine, we thanked our host who poured a cup of cab for each of us, and we just sipped the wine and then walked around the beautiful landscape of Far Niente, and that's how we ended the wine tasting. It was beautiful. The winery, the wines, and the beautifully manicured landscape.
I know. Cheers.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay.
Ma fondo anche, era una seconda di... sip. This is a beautiful place.
It is.
You know, it's just in our backyard. But हम लोग कभी आता नहीं है, we don't tend to enjoy these things. लड़की लोग ना, they make the best of it.
Oh, they young,
Yeah.
you know. Like I
Yeah.
said, my boys, they love trying all the restaurants. They go with friends. They eat all those food.
People, come on over.
My boys are very, very energetic.
What they can do, Sapna Archana.
They are not boring.
They
Yeah.
can go and visit Sapna Archana.
Yeah.
They can go to
Yeah.
Las Vegas, have a good time there.
Yeah.
Archana, they play Kroj.
But
They can just
I tell you, Archana or
Sapana.
Sapna, they will enjoy Montreal as well,
I
because
know.
it's for Montreal is a town, a city for young kids.
Oh, they would love it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they would love it because they have all the food,
Yeah.
they have all the restaurants, and they have all the night places.
You look, a problem kunji, time off is a real nightmare for this.
It is demanding. They are doctors.
कोई बोलता Ravi Rahul के बोला हाँ they can go and visit Las Vegas. Archana is there,
Yeah.
and they can, I can drive them to Portland,
Yeah.
Oregon.
Yeah.
Sapna is there. ये बताओ खड़ा जल्दी करो
Oh boy, what a day! हमारे 4 weeks के
Are you loving it or not?
vacation में, this is the best day I
Awesome,
had.
awesome.
I tell you.
So good to hear that.
Honestly, this
Yeah.
is the best day. I can breathe, I can laugh.
Okay, that's how it should be.
Seriously,
That's
yeah.
what we wanted.
Exactly.
This is the best day of the vacation that I had.
Yeah.
The memories, yes.
Yeah. Bas, Suganthi.
Bus. That's enough. Claire Das, our friend, thank you for visiting us. There are going to be more visits from you and from us. And we are looking forward to it. And really, I admire you. I'm proud of you. A great mother who taught the children, leading by example and being their role model, how to be independent and be on their feet. You did not shower them with fancy things or fake fashions. You taught them the facts of life. They watched you. They watched their mother. And today, you have 3 successful young men. You made it, Claire. God has been with you. Proud of you. Hats off to you. Okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay. That's all, folks. Wine tasting at Far Niente is over. Sorry we could not go to the caves. They have a couple of caves that would have been interesting if we had get a chance to go. Maybe next time we will do that. You should visit this place. This is one of the best wineries in Napa Valleys. Thank you for watching. Take care.